Hey there, WooCommerce users! If you've got a growing online store, you know how time-consuming it can be to manually write alt text for every single product image. That's why the AI Alt Image Text plugin includes full WooCommerce integration, making it simple to generate smart, descriptive alt text automatically. Once you've installed and activated the plugin, head to the WooCommerce tab of the settings. Toggle WooCommerce Enabled to On, select which product information should be included as context, and set any other options that would be useful to you. Now each time you save a product, the plugin automatically detects product images without alt text and adds them to a queue to generate alt text for in the background. Information you have selected about your products will automatically be sent to OpenAI, like your product title, description, categories, and attributes, along with the image content to create context-aware descriptions, things like black leather wallet with RFID protection instead of wallet.jpg. This not only helps visually impaired visitors using screen readers, but also improves your product SEO in Google Images. You can enable the same feature for gallery images as well, so that all images associated will have alt text generated. And that's how you make your WooCommerce store more accessible and search-friendly without lifting a finger. Try AI Alt Image Text today and watch your product pages get smarter instantly.